Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Xiaomi Notebook Ultra. The problem with this laptop is its display is broken. Never mind, let's fix it. First, we will remove the bezel with the help of a HIT gun. You can get help from any plastic card with this. Remove the antenna cover with the help of an opener. Unscrew the antenna and remove it. Remove the bezel. Pull out the tape from the display. Came out from both sides. Remove the tape completely. Remove the display with the help of an opener. Disconnect the connector. Connect the new display. Insert the connector securely. Turn on the laptop and check the display. You can see it is working well. Put tape on the display connector. Double-sided tape will be used to stick the display. Stick the display securely. To stick the display bezel, use double-sided tape and apply it around them. If you need a display of this model, then contact us. Install the antenna and tighten its screw. Apply the tape properly on every side. Remove the second side of the double-sided tape. Stick the bezel securely. Tighten the bezel screws. Put the antenna cover on as well. Stick the bezel all the way. Turn on the laptop. You can see this display is absolutely original. Let's meet again in some other video. Till then, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. It inspires me to make new videos in the future. Thank you.